So you've worked in product commercialization and mass manufacturing. What motivated that transition, and how did it change how you think about operations? What was your experience with operations before you went into operations?
Yeah, so my previous experience in product prototyping and commercialization was working in a university, and had a small glimpse of manufacturing when I was using 3D printers to make some products, but it was intense, or most up to 100 eaches per period of time. And at certain time, I moved to the different country. I moved back to Lithuania, and I was looking for a job here. So I was looking for something similar to R&D or prototyping, commercialization, and ended up in manufacturing. So I went to multiple interviews, and when I saw what is coming up and what is waiting for me here, I chose to go into mass manufacturing. I like the rapid change. I like to deal with people. I like to help to solve the problems and do that in a quick pace. So some people might say mass manufacturing could be boring and repetitive, but in the first day, oh, that's not that.
Yeah, no, that's a fact. Having had similar roles, the thing that you're dealing with people every day, and you're trying to unite them to a purpose, and it can be very exciting indeed. So what was the big difference that you found out, that you personally experienced when you went from commercialization to operations?
Yeah, so I started in this company as a manufacturing engineer. So previously, dealing more with the things, small things, putting attention to small details to prepare a product for mass manufacturing and doing all the preparation for the commercialization. And when started working in mass manufacturing, uh, the pace is way quicker. Uh, it's not a deadline in a month. It's a deadline that my shift could to continue working. You got to deal with maintenance technicians, with operators to find the root cause that the machine could continue producing. To find the way how to your work directly influences not one person or not some other company, but your own colleagues. So the way you achieve your goals, the way the people would work afterwards.
Yeah. Yeah, it's complex, and there's a lot of moving parts. There's no lack of excitement, definitely. So operation science is all about variability. Where do you see variability in your operations, and how do you manage that?
So variability is all over the place, I would say. If you look at it, you can slice in the different places. So starting from associates competencies, the ones that worked for multiple years, the ones that work for up to a year, in starting from more of like technical part, how the similar multiple machines can work very very different, how the raw materials can influence that, how the need of production when you plan for one and the next month comes in a bit different. I would say I started mass manufacturing at a very interesting point just before the pandemic, and pandemic showed that all variability. So that gave me a huge lesson in the manufacturing, that you can't expect everything to go smooth as it's planned.